Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Twitter account on app step by step. First of all, type your name on the blank. Then you need to type your phone number or your email address on the blank to get the code. Then you need to type your birthday. After that, tap on the next button. After checking your information, tap on Sign Up button. You need to verify your email address or phone number. To do this, type the code which was sent to your phone or email address. Then tap on the Next button. You need to type your password and make sure that it's 8 characters or more. Then tap on the Next button again. You can upload a profile picture by tapping on the upload icon. You can take a photo by using your camera, or you can choose any pictures from your gallery. Before you apply, you can adjust the size of your picture. Then tap on Next button again. Type your description of your bio according to interest of your Twitter account. Then tap on the Next button again. You need to type a unique username for your Twitter account. After that, tap on the Next button. Thus, the process of creating a Twitter account on app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.